Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a unbagging from a company called Everydayecrafts. Don't get it confused with the other one. This is Everydayecrafts. Alright, so first off, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. And congratulations again to Judy for winning my 300 subscriber giveaway. And also, I just want to let y'all know that I am running a sale right now on my Etsy shop for cover minders. And it will be running for the next few days. So supplies are limited. So y'all need to get over and get whatever it is you want. So, alright. So, this company, like I said, is called Everydayecrafts. Now, they are running a summer sale right now, 30% off of some of their items. This company has got diamond paintings, they have got cross stitch, they have got paint by numbers, they have on the canvas, off the canvas, they have tools, accessories, you name it, they've got it. And also, it is free shipping for anything over, I think it said $50, or it might have been $69. I don't remember, but you can get so much stuff for $50, y'all. Alright, so, what did they send me? Well, I got a diamond painting. And I have something else. I'm going to set this over to the side. Now, this I am very excited to try. Alright. This is a frame. Now, on their website, this is called a DIY magnetic self-adhesive picture frame wall sticker. Now, this is the 30 by 40 frame, and these come in several colors. It comes in gold, silver, black, red, and navy. And y'all, it also comes in matte finish or glossy finish. So you have several options. So this is the first time I've ever gotten one of these. And it's plastic right here, but this whole thing on both sides is magnet. Now, I got the black glossy. So, and I don't mean to be doing, I have my window open over here, so it's kind of making a little bit of a glare. But this part here is clear plastic. And it has the back, if I can get this to come off. Whoop. My bad. Well, no. So this is not, I don't guess this is a sticker. No. So this is actually the backing. You have to figure out a way to put this on your wall yourself, which wouldn't be no problems. You could do like Velcro, self-adhesive Velcro. But no, y'all, I do think this comes off. I'm pretty sure. No, it does not. Yes, it does. I knew it did. Okay, so you stick this on your wall. Alright? And if I were you, I would stick it on your wall upside down to where the opening is up at the top. And then that way you can just switch out your diamond paintings. You can put like seasons. You could put Christmas ones in here, and then after Christmas you could put New Year's, Valentine's Day, Easter, so on and so forth. Or if you wanted to go with some kind of theme, you could, switch them out. But this is magnetic, so once you put your diamond painting in there, it's not going to come out. So this is $4.99 on their website. And I am fixing to probably put this up. Alright, so I'm going to set this to the side. Now, this next thing they sent me, let me see. This is a diamond painting. And, ooh, okay. Well, it's already sort of kind of open. And I did not open that. So I hope everything's in there. I'm sure it is. Alright. It looks like it was just taped together. Probably because this thing is so big and it probably wouldn't shut. So I got a canvas. And it is poured glue. So let me roll it backwards, try to straighten it out just a little bit. Maybe. Okay, y'all. This is what I got. It is a 40 by 50, and I hope y'all can see this. It is called on their website, Cute Grandma 40 by 50, and it is a full round. And you can see, here's the grandma, and here's the granddaughter, and the granddaughter has got long black hair, and it looks like she's got some little bib overalls on, and she is putting little yellow flowers all in grandma's hair, and grandma's holding the little pot with the flowers and letting her decorate her hair, and she's sitting in, or well, she might be sitting on the edge of a couch. And the little girl is sitting on the top of the couch. So, I thought this was super, super, super cute. Alright, so it does come with your regular toolkit. Green boat, pink wax, pink pen. And the drills. Let's see. Yep, it has. Alright. It's got the thumbnail up at the top. And like I said, it is a 40 by 50. It has the schematic on the top left and the bottom right. There are 23 colors. And it is all alphabet. And it does have the DMC numbers on the schematic. Alright, let's see. It has the canvas number, item number on the bags of drills, along with up here at the top, so you'll be okay to put these elsewhere. Alright, let's look at this real quick. Alright, and this is a lot of drills. Okay. Alright, so it's going to be a lot of muted looking colors, like obviously yellows and greens. We've got some gray, more green, some yellows. But I thought this canvas was so cute. I remember back when I was a kid, and even though I didn't do anything to my grandparents' hair, to either of my grandmother's hair, we used to sit and make like flower chains. If you remember, or if any of y'all ever did that when you were a kid, make flower chains with the little clover flowers. So yeah. But I just thought this was so cute. I hope y'all can see this. I really do. Now, the drill field looks very clear, and it is very sticky. I'm going to bring this up and let you look at it. And they do have the light on dark and the dark on the light. But I think this is very, very sweet picture. Especially since I am a grandma. I consider myself a young, hip grandma, even though I'm 50, but still. But, alright, so I just wanted to come on here, show y'all this. And this canvas was actually $13.99 on their website, but it is on sale right now for $11.99. So that's not bad for a 40 by 50. And you know what? Let me see if, let's see. All right, so it's about a 35 by 45. So it's not true to size as far as the drill field, but the whole canvas is a 40 by 50, which is fine. So what do y'all think about this? I really like it. And like I said, this company, Everydayecrafts, was kind enough to send me these. And they are running a 30% discount on some of their stuff. And it is free shipping over $50. It was either $50 or $69. I don't remember which. So, I just want to say thank you to Everydayecrafts for sending this to me and letting me be able to show this to my subscribers. And y'all, get over there and get some deals before it's too late. 30% off. You can't really beat that on a lot of stuff. Plus, these are not expensive. So, all right, y'all. Anyway, I guess until my next video, y'all have a great day. Bye, y'all.